working unless y'all giving me land and $2,000 or more every week. You hear me?
Yeah.
I'm getting my Pakistani passport and Pakistani ID. I'm getting it. Do y'all agree? Mind your business. What? Talk.
Tell me, you have a Pakistani passport?
I'm getting one. Do you have one?
I have a Pakistani passport.
Oh, you do? Okay, good. Listen, I don't live here. I'm chilling.
You're chilling here. Why are you not taking your flight?
It's none of your business. Now go home. Here. Take it.
What are you doing here?
Take it.
Not your place.
एक मिनट. If you haven't find him, what's your
Back that up.
No, please.
ये भाई, ये बाइडन की बेटी है.
And land.
She wants Pakistan government to give her $3,000 week, right? Is it correct?
What's your name? What's your name? What's your name? What's your name?
Just one answer.